Good morning, guys. Today I'm to show you how to sell your Coindeal tokens. In previous video and tutorial, I show you how to get free CLD tokens on Coindeal markets. Today I show you how to sell it. To do this, first you need to log into your Coindeal market. After this, you have two options. In my screen, you see all available markets, and here is CLD BTC market, and you can push button sell, or you can choose market, type CDL, and click here to go to market. On this view, you can buy and sell. In our case, we want to sell CDL tokens, so you need push sell. And here is place you can type your price of CDL, what you want to get from one CDL. For example, 99. You can choose price from here, or you can use this last button, and here is price from last success transaction what somebody sell. Here you type how many CDL you want to sell. Default is 1, but you can type 100 or use button max. So you sell all CDL token what you have on your wallets. Here is estimation BTC, how many you get from this transaction when you open. And last thing what we need to do is push button sell. When you push the sell button, will be created transaction, and you need waiting for somebody who want to buy your CDL token from this price what you set. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorials.